Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to Codiators, and let's continue our Hackerrank SQL series. And today we are going to discuss Weather Observation Station 11. And we have solved similar problems before, so you can check out the this playlist for more information. So let's continue to the video and let's go through the question. So the question says that query the list of city names from station that either do not start with vowels or do not end with vowels. Your result cannot contain duplicates. So this is similar to what we have solved, but here they have merged both the conditions. So they are saying it should not start with a vowel and or okay, not end with a vowel. Okay. So these are what they are saying. Okay, this is what we have to find. Either this will be true or the other will be true. So if the case like this is true, okay, the first case, then we have to like check what are the uh, city names which are starting with a vowel. Okay, so we have solved the same problem previously. Okay, and we also have solved the same problem not end with a vowel. So what we have to do, we have to just club these two with an or operator. So it's saying either this is true or the second condition is true. This is the only problem. Either first case 1 is true or the case 2 is true. Okay, or both are true. This is what or says, right? So let's write the query. So what we'll do is first we'll do a select city select city from station, where now here we'll write the condition. So we'll write the first condition, which is where city, and you know how we do, we go with a lower city, sorry, city is not like, and we'll go with modulo a. Okay, and similar we'll use an and operator here, and then we'll copy the rest. So 5 times, so it should be a, then e, I, o, u. Okay, so this will be my case 1. Now what we have to do, we have to use an or operator. So or, and then the case 2 or the other condition, which is like it should not end with an vowel. So we'll just select the same thing, we'll just do a copy paste, and here instead of it, so this is saying start with, we'll go with an end with. Okay, so we should not end with a, e, I, o, u, and let me remove the extra ones or the other ones. So let's execute this one. It failed. Why it failed? Why it failed? Is it okay? Okay, got it, got it. So there is also another condition like your result cannot contain duplicate. So let's put the distinct part. Okay, distinct. Now execute the code. Yep, it's successful, and we have passed the test case, and we have successfully submitted the code also. So let's solve the another problem, which is weather observation station 12. This is a similar one which we solved, weather observation station 11. So just read the problem. Question says that query the list of city names from station that do not start with vowel and do not end with a vowel. So what we just solved is like find the city names which start with a vowel. Which either do not start with a vowel or do not end with a vowel. Correct? Like not start, and also, and then an or operator, and not end. Cool, like it should not start or should not end. Now what we are just, instead of this or, we have to go with an and operator. So for example, if I say you, let's suppose you have a city name like ABC or ABA and BAB. Okay, so let's suppose these are the city names. So if you see here, ABC starts with a vowel, it starts. Okay, here it starts and end with a vowel. Okay, and here neither start nor end. Okay, so we have to find this case. Cool. So for which we will use an or operator, I mean an and operator. So the code will be exactly same. So this will be the same code. Just instead of or, I'll go with an and. Okay, and execute the code. So yeah, it passed the test cases. Let's submit the problem. And yeah, it's submitted too. So if you have enjoyed this video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment your suggestions, and subscribe for more. Thank you. Happy coding.